Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful pretty looking pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies cardigan, jeans sweater, ladies sweater, hat as well. This is the way it looks like. See, I have done with this border. This is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl stitch. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 17 and plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 17, 17, 17 and 2 edge stitch plus 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is only one repeat. I have only one repeat. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 17 plus 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. The repeat pattern starts from here. So for repeat pattern, purl 1 and knit 6, purl 1, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6, purl 1, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and then we're gonna knit these 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. Knit 3 together through the back loop first and make 3 stitch here. 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 and knit one more time, 3 times, 1, 2, 3 and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 1, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make 3 in one, knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here, and then knit 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then purl 1. This is the repeat pattern. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, your edge stitch, last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 wrong side, and every wrong side rows is same pattern, which is your edge stitch slip and then knit 1, purl 15 and knit 1. That's the repeat. So knit 1, purl 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Purl 15 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. So for repeat pattern we have done knit 1, purl 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern and your last edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then here these 3, we're going to knit these 3 together through the front loop, right, through the front loop and make 3 stitch here. through the front loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And here in between here knit 1, and here knit these 3 together through the back loop. Here through the front loop and here through the back loop. First flip this first stitch and knit these 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 stitch here, and here knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 here and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 1. This is the repeat pattern, and your last one edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side is like row 2, knit your row 2 for every wrong side rows. Your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and then edge stitch knit on the right side. Sorry, knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern, and your last edge stitch yarn in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, and then here knit these 3 together through the front loop, right here through the front loop, and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 stitch here, and here in between of these 2 I'm gonna make this pattern here as well. So in between I'm gonna knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5 and then twist 3 to the left way. Knit these 3 together through the back loop. First flip this first stitch and then knit these 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3, and knit 2, 1, 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 2, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 here. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 here. Knit 2, purl 1, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, knit edge row 2, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and then knit 1. Your edge stitch yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1 and knit 3 together through the front loop. These 3, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3 and knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. First stitch flip and knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2, 3, make 3 stitch here, right here through the front loop, here through the back loop and knit 1 again through the front loop, knit these 3 together through the front loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2, 3, again knit 1 and here knit 3 through the back loop. First flip the first stitch and then knit 3 together through the back loop. 1, 2 and make 3 stitch here. 2 and 3 and 1 purl stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3 together, purl 1, knit 3 together, through the front loop and knit 1, purl 1, knit 3 together through the front loop and make 3 stitch here. Knit 1 and knit 3 together through the back loop, make 3 stitch here. Knit 1, knit 3 together through the front loop, make 3 stitch here. Knit 1 and last knit 3 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here and purl 1 here through the front loop, through the back loop, through the front loop, through the back loop, right? And in between of this all these stitches you're going to have 1 knit stitch, 1 knit stitch here, 1 knit stitch here, 1 knit stitch here, right? So and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, last row, knit edge row 2, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, knit 1 and your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. See, this is 1 repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. I have done 4 repeats here. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.